Dr. Wenlin Wang is performing so quick, so fast, and so safe surgeries. We had seen already a lot of cases, and it's really so hard to understand when you haven't seen it, but it's so simple when you are performing with him. So very thankful for this opportunity to Mr. Wenlin Wang and his whole team.
Here I am watching Dr. Wenlin Wang perform some novel techniques and surgeries for Pectus defects that is revolutionizing the field. He is truly a pioneer in Wenlin Wang and Wang Procedure. What is most unique about his technique is that it is simple, reproducible, and teachable. You can teach this to any other surgeon when you leave the country, and hopefully our field will be a better place where we can offer better patients, better outcomes overall in the long term.
Here, this is the second time I'm visiting this institute for Pectus deformity correction, and especially this is a complex Pectus deformity correction. It's not a straightforward. So I come to witness all complex deformities. So usually Professor Wenlin Wang uses his special techniques for complex corrections. So yeah, so we are excited to see all these things. And his techniques are very simple and it's easily replicable. So there are many surgeons across the world have come to visit. So I'm representing myself from India.
I'm here in Guangzhou to see Dr. Wang's techniques. It's a great opportunity to see Dr. Wang's because he has mastered the technique and made it easier and safer for patients with Pectus excavatum. I recommend a lot to be here with Dr. Wang.